We're in day 2 of Foodie trying to eat healthier, and I thought it would be interesting to see what she came up with. The infographic you're looking at is the plate method, or a typical diabetic meal. On top of this, she needs to be careful of the proteins because of potential kidney issues, and because of her high blood pressure, everything has to be low sodium. Chantal showed us 2 meals today, breakfast and lunch. Let's see what she had.
Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so proud of this breakfast. Actually, it's oatmeal, which I always say makes my tummy feel happy. It actually really helps my gut. And half a banana, a few strawberries, some cashews, and yeah, that's all she wrote.
Because we don't know exactly how she prepared everything, I'm using my macros app to estimate. The oatmeal bowl had 308 calories, 50 grams of carbs, 7 grams of protein, and 10 grams of fat.
Next meal, it is 12:30 p.m. I'm having the rest of some rotisserie chicken I made last night, some broccoli, some beans. They're baked beans, but they're like sugar-free. And there's rice under there, but just the palm and a half trick. So yeah, that's my lunch. Oh, and I put I had a packet of soy sauce. I just put like half a packet, but the meal's low sodium anyway, so. All right, bismillah. And I'm having water with this.
For lunch, I'm estimating about a cup of cooked rice, half a cup of the baked beans, and about 4 ounces of chicken. All in all, that comes out to 444 calories, 65 grams of carbs, 47 grams of protein, and 5 grams of fat. In my opinion, lunch definitely turned out better than breakfast, but it was higher in carbs and probably sodium, especially with that soy sauce. For the second part of the video, I thought I would show you how I made my dinner and meal prepped for work the next day. For those of you who don't know, I am actively trying to lose weight myself, so I try to incorporate as many whole foods as I can. I roasted up a bunch of cauliflower, steamed some broccoli, and cooked some chicken breasts in a grill pan. Everything took less than 20 minutes. Start out by preheating your oven to 450 degrees and then clean up your cauliflower. I like it in thick slices, like steaks. I'm saving the little pieces from the side for some crudité. Now my seasonings for this are very simple. Just a bit of Cajun seasoning, a spritz of olive oil, and some garlic powder. This will cook in the oven for about 18 minutes and you don't have to flip it or anything. While that's cooking, go ahead and butterfly your chicken breasts. I've got about 15 ounces and 3 big pieces. I used the same oil and spices that I did for the cauliflower. Cook this in a grill pan for about 10 to 12 minutes, flipping it in the middle. When the cauliflower is done, you can turn off the heat and rest the chicken in the hot oven while you plate everything up. I added about a tablespoon of Trader Joe's garlic sauce to my plate. This is like Lebanese toum. Between the seasoning on the chicken and the seasoning on the cauliflower, the steamed broccoli doesn't need anything at all. The best thing about a meal like this is that you have plenty of leftovers and you can eat as many of the vegetables as you want. I find that by spritzing on the olive oil, you save a bunch of calories. Prepared like this, the meal had 436 calories, 17 grams of carbs, 49 grams of protein, and 27 grams of fat. For lunch tomorrow at work, I'll do pretty much the same thing, but I'll add some rice and hot sauce instead of the toum. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Would my dinner have been enough for you? What do you think of Chantal's food choices? I'd love to hear from you.